Hey guys, so today's video is about the types of studies and how to know what kind of study you're reading. So when we read an article, we always start by asking, did the observer assign an exposure? So we have two possibilities. If yes, there was an assigned exposure, then this is an interventional study, whatever exposure it is. For example, if I say, this group would get this medication versus the other group who will not. So this is an interventional study. The other types of study would be just an observational. If the observer does not assign an exposure, then this is an observational study. So for interventional studies, the intervention that the observer assigned could be randomized or not. If it is randomized, then this is a randomized trial. If it's not, then this is non-randomized trial. It's very simple. For observational studies, we have to know whether there was a comparison group in the study or not. If there was a comparison group in the observational study, then this is an analytical study. So the observer or the researcher is trying to analyze something, right? So this is an analytical study. If there was a comparison group, then this is just an observational descriptive study. An example for an analytical study would be cross-sectional, cohort, case control, or ecological. All of these are analytical. For descriptive, it could be either cross-sectional or cohort. So cross-sectional or cohort study, these two types of study could be descriptive or analytical. Both of them are, again, observational studies. So this is a very simple summary of the types of study. Again, we start by figuring out whether the observer or the researcher assigned an exposure. If yes, then this is an interventional study, whether it's randomized or not. If there was no intervention, then this is an observational study. Could be analytical if there was a comparison group with the four types, as you see: cross-sectional, cohort, case control, or ecological study. And if there was no comparison group, then this is a descriptive observational study. And that's it. I hope that was helpful. Thanks a lot. See you in the next video.